So today I'm going to talk to you about the kickstand that comes on the new Bona Flexi 2024 version. So instead of, as well as the large pneumatic wheels, we now have a kickstand at the back, which makes it easier for you to change your abrasives as well as maneuver it into and out of customers' houses. The way we're going to put the kickstand on is we want to pull it back. So from this position we want to pull it down, push it forward, and then we just want to put a bit of weight on and pull it back. And then it's easier to maneuver and also to change our abrasives. When we're in this position now, we can change our plate or change our abrasives. And when we're finished, we can just pull it back up, pull the kickstand out of the way, and we're ready for sanding. And the main benefit of this kickstand is the height of it. When we have a power drive connect on a Flexisander, we're actually having a bit more depth on the machine, hence the reason we need an XL dust skirt. But this just avoids the abrasive scratching the floor or damaging the pads when we're putting pressure on it or we're removing pressure on it to change abrasives. So again, the kickstand just engages by pulling it down, pushing it forward, then pulling it back. Bit of an easier maneuver and helps you avoid damaging your accessories and tools.